Epistemic injustice occurs when a university removes from its epistemic pool the stories of those whom it marginalizes. And Milner, what happened to my story? Did you even care when you saw me standing outside your office, a Black African woman standing by herself, protesting the injustice that had been done under your administration? And Milner, did you care? And Milner, did you care? And if you did, where is my story? It's true that it hurt. That Weber State. The story that you see covered here in pictures occurred at Weber State University. And the university newspaper, The Signpost, has deleted that story from its archives. And my question is, if they told the truth in the courts and elsewhere, why delete the story? Why? Did you eat my story, Wildcat? This article was published by the Ogden Standard Examiner. I would say by estimation, just a rough estimation, Standard Examiner is due about, let's see, 45, about 60 degrees northwest. In this document here, you see where I filed a writ of certiorari with the U.S. Supreme Court, and that was an interesting story there because the package that I sent to the U.S. Supreme Court was sent with numerous stamps on it, and it said return to the sender. Here, CCU found nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong, issuing a Black woman a misdated diploma. This is one of the several letters that I wrote to the United States White House to the then U.S. President Obama. I was completely appalled that there would be a university in the United States that would not be concerned about issuing a wrongful document to the migrant student, the Black migrant student, as a follow-up to the promise that I had made with the state to continue to protest at every graduation. I met with the former WSU President Charles White and asked him if he would consider releasing my valid diploma. And here is what he had to say. White said there had been an intra-departmental delay in the transfer of my credits, and that resulted in my diploma being post-dated. And I told him I didn't think that was a valid reason for me to be issued a post-dated diploma. And White said, he He said, another reason why my diploma was post-dated was that my tuition was paid after graduation. And I told him that was not a valid reason. When you go to your doctor's office, the doctor does not postmark your visit to the date when you pay your bill, right? So White said, if you sign this document, I'll release the diploma. And I said, I'm not signing anything. This is ridiculous. And I mean, as a scientist, I'm sure he knew that. I'm hoping he did. I said, no student has had to sign anything for their diploma to be released. Nobody signs anything. So why was I being treated differently? Anyway, he released my diploma, and you told your story in the courts and you won. I told my story in the courts as well, and also in the university signpost, and you deleted the story. Why? That is not the way to erase injustice. I will continue to tell my story. Any bit of that information by implication means but that institution has removed a member of its community from the knowledge pool, and that is epistemic injustice. I am borrowing the professors themselves, even the students, because all of this body of knowledge is a critical input, a necessary input that gives voice to everyone on that campus. And removing any bit of that information by implication
My name is Victoria Situnya. I flew into DC about 2 days ago because my future is being damaged in the hands of the bureaucrats in the state of Utah. I attended school at Weber State University, went to all of the classes, met all of the requirements, but the university won't issue my diploma. I can't.
And should there arise a condition that necessitates a deletion of a story, that must occur in collaboration with the parties concerned. And what do I mean by that? If my story has been deleted, my university is not going to delete my story without first consulting all those who have the power to speak on my behalf. This story did not end here. Its mental consequences still impact me even up to the present time.